everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we were going to jump right back into it, but I just wanted to take a minute to tell you guys thank you, and thank you for the interaction, and thank you for the questions. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So last video we did a little over a week ago was a requested video. I don't know if I actually put it in the name of the... No, yeah, I did. Okay, right there. So let me go over and just kind of show you guys how YouTube tracks this. Well, first of all, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos and we do requested videos and things like that. So, all right, 9 hours, 22 minutes ago when this got published. And then whenever your last video, it compares the previous videos, the length of time, also whatever this length of time is. So the garbage collection video, it is the top video in the past 9 days and 22 hours by a substantial amount. Now the Stay Motivated, those always do a little bit better, and the performance and things like that do better, but a straight topic, it blows everything away. So this is what I attempt to try to tell you guys. If somebody has this question, somebody else has this question. So not only are you getting an answer to something that you may want clarified or something like that, or something you just have no idea, somebody else has that same question. So please ask it. You're not just helping you, you're helping this entire channel, the entire community. And we are setting up a Discord. Actually, the individual who requested this video is assisting me in laying things out and is going to have a prominent role in it. So this is our attempt in building this community. So I just wanted to share this and explain to you that I take these requested videos very, very seriously. Not just a topic to have a video. I want this to be a little microcosm on the internet, on YouTube, that we are supporting each other, helping each other, and really diving into Python. There are other people here who have some programming experience but no Python, and then there are also brand new beginners. So that's my little speech for today. But I just want to tell you guys thank you. I built this channel, started this channel to, what channel would I want if I were starting over? That was the original premise. Then it morphed into, I didn't know I was doing it, but then the micro videos, then the requested videos, then the series of videos. So this is constantly developing, and then now we have all this on Git. And then we're going to have a Discord server. So and now we're doing live streams on another YouTube channel. Also, we'll be back live streaming on Free Code Camp. We're doing recursion. Somebody just tweeted me, wanted me to make sure we do dictionaries, so we're going to do dictionaries. And then, command line. We're going to do, so command line, recursion, and dictionaries. We're going to have a lot to go over. So that is today's video, and we will be getting back with Django tomorrow. So please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and giving this video a thumbs up for me. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, any videos, requests down below, and I'll get right to them. As always, guys, we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.